Alright, back at you with another video to Pull Up King. This one, we got a 2018 CHRYSLER Pacifica limited edition 3.6. We are doing spark plugs and alternator replacement. He had it diagnosed at a shop, told him what he needed, came to me, gave him a price. Here we are. Alright, so I already have a video of the spark plugs being replaced on this same vehicle. It's a 2017 I did back in May of 2022 last year. So yeah, click this link right here. You can watch that video if you're interested in spark plugs. But today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove the alternator. Alright, let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, this is the part number we got. Got it from AutoZone. It's two options. We got a 180 amp and a 220. This is the 220. I went to the dealership and got the spark plugs. See, Mopar. They didn't have the alternator in stock. It would have been a whole lot more, but it's a good thing they had it at AutoZone. We can go ahead and swap that out. Alright, we want to take off our battery terminals. We got this in the way. Just pry that up. It comes right out. 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Alright, we want to start with this bolt here. Those two right there. Take off this little cross member. And that one right here. All four of those are 10 millimeter. Alright, next. Got this line right here. Gotta get here, get that bolt right there. 10 mil holding that in. Alright, next we got the coolant line, the hose in the way. You want to take it off, release this clip here, pry up on it, take a flathead, stick it up in there, and you can pull that off, catch the coolant. You gotta remove the skid plate down there. And pop that right up, wiggle that off. Move that over to the side. And we gotta get to the belt tensioner, which is back here. I don't know if I can get a shot. That's the belt tensioner right there. I'm gonna have to get up under it to get that belt. That's where we at. I put a 1/2 inch ratchet on that tensioner. And what we're gonna do is just pull up on it to release the tension. Get that belt off. And we got the belt off. Leave that ratchet on there. And take that off, get that out the way. Let's make room. We gotta get down here, get these 13 millimeter bolts here at the top. And it's another one at the bottom. Once we get those bolts out, top. We got the bottom down here. Right there. What I did was just loosened it. And you can swivel it now. And you can also take it off the bracket because that's how it's held. So you got that bracket, it's like it sits on it. You don't have to take this all the way out. Now we're gonna work on getting the connectors off. It's a 13 mil. So that tab right there, push back like that. You press down on it. So what I did was I used a little flat head to make that happen because I couldn't do it with my fingers. Man, I got it, but it was so tight I had to use my impact. I couldn't even, it wouldn't turn. So I did get it off. And now I can just use the new bolt. Went ahead and took that off. Give me some extra room. I forgot all about this bolt here, 10 mil. Supposed to take that off when I did that. Okay, quick tip. After fumbling and tussling with it for a few minutes, trying to find the correct way to pull it out, this is it. That right there. I don't know if y'all can, yeah. That's the bottom and that's the top. So pull it out this way. That's the only way that I was able to get it. It was like a puzzle. Got that mug out. And they say at the dealership they're gonna pretty much check out the AC compressor, but as you can see, you don't have to do that. You can see where that bolt is right there. That bolt, it's not even out. You're gonna sit the bottom of that alternator right on top of it. Sit it back down in the same position. I should fall right in. So we sit that down there. And now we can put the bolts in up top. Now we're looking good. Alright, we back in there, installed. I did move that out the way so I didn't break it. Go ahead and put everything else back together, put the belt back on. Belt back on. You can remove this coolant reservoir if you need to. 10 mils, there's 3 of them. You can get back here. And we in there. Next, you want to top your fluid off, your coolant level, because we did drain it, and start her up. That's gonna be it. Until next time, pull up, King.